Okay, welcome back to this session. So in the last class, we have seen the three more questions from the exercise 3.1. So today we'll be covering all the questions, all remaining questions. Okay. So what is the next question is 11th question. So
Okay.
let's continue with this question number 11 now. The numbers are formed using the digits. सॉल्व किया है क्या कोई? Okay. ठीक है. Now see what it is saying. The numbers are formed using the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 without repetition. Mark the words without repetition. Without repetition. How many of them will exceed 400? 400 से ऊपर के सब नंबर्स मुझे लिखना है यहाँ पे. ओके 400 के ऊपर मतलब व्हाट वी आर हैविंग द 3 डिजिट नंबर्स. ओके so number 1 case number 1 will be having as a 3 digit numbers. So 3 digit numbers greater than 400 means what? 1, 2, 3. Now what is the condition? On which place you have condition? At the 100th place.
हाँ.
Yes, at the 100th place you have the condition. Now this place can be filled in how many ways? If number is greater than 400, can we use
Only one way.
2 here?
No.
Can we use 3 here?
No.
Can we use 4 here?
Yes.
Yes, we can use the 4 here. Can we use 5?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. So here we can use 4 or 5. Means how many options we have? Number
Sir,
of
6
options.
पण ना.
6 आहे का? Yes, 6 आहे आपल्याकडे. So number of options are what? 6. So sorry, number of ways are 3. 4, 5, 6 are the numbers we have. Number of options we have 3. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5 you have used only one digit here. What is the number of ways in which you can fill the second place? Yes?
4.
4 ways. 5 टोटल तुमच्याकडे 2, 3, 4, 5 आणि 6. टोटल you have 5 digits. Out of that you have used 1 at the 100th place. Okay? Out of 5 you have used 1 at the 100th place. So remaining are 4.
4.
What are the number of ways here?
3.
Again 3.
3.
Again 3. So what you will do with this?
Multiplication.
Multiplication, because I want the 3 digit number. So 100th and 10th and unit. कितना आ गया भाई? ये 12 गुणिले 3 36.
36.
36. ठीक है, मराठी मीडियम. Next we have the case number 2. Now the number can be 3 digit, 4 digit or 5 digit. The condition is what? They are asking just greater than the 400 number. So let's use the 4 digit now. Okay, let me write the 4 digit here. 4 digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So how many ways you can fill the first place, that is a 10,000th place?
Sir.
5.
हाँ बोला स्वप्नील.
सर जी कंडिशन आहे ना आपली केस 1 ची तर एनी हाव आपल्याला फक्त 4च कन्सिडर करायचं आहे तिथे.
कुठे?
फर्स्ट प्लेस साठी.
फक्त 4 का कन्सिडर करायचं? तुम्हाला नंबर 400 पेक्षा वरती पाहिजे. How many of them will exceed 400? Now this can be a number which is greater than exceed 400. 543, if I make a number from these, out of these 5 digits, 543, this number exceeds the 400. Why you cannot consider 5 and 6 at that 100th place? स्वप्नील
बघू सर, ट्राय करेल बघू असं.
अरे बाळा बघ ना, सरळ सरळ सांगितलं की एक्सीड 400 म्हणजे काय? 400 पेक्षा वरती. आता ह्या डिजिटने 234 जर मी नंबर बनवला तर हा कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय करतोय का?
नाही.
नाही करत आहे, कारण हा 400 पेक्षा छोटा आहे. हा, बट इफ आय यूज 543, इज दिस ओके? Yes. If I use
Yes.
623, is this okay? Yes. Any number which is greater than 400 is acceptable. So that's why here we can use 4, 5 or 6. ठीक आहे, बघा तुम्ही नंतर. If still you have doubt, let me know. Okay.
हो सर.
Perfect. Now 4 digit number. Now any 4-digit number is greater than 400. Yes or no?
Yes.
All the 4-digit numbers are definitely will be greater than the 400. So how many numbers you can use at the 1000 place?
5.
All digits we can use because the number itself is a 4 digit number, so definitely it is going to be greater than 400. So सगळेच्या सगळे मी इथे यूज करू शकतो. इथे किती ऑप्शन आहेत?
4.
4 options.
Four.
Because out of 5 you have used 1 here and without repetition case है, so 4 आएगा, यहाँ पे 3 आएगा और यहाँ पे 2 आएगा. उसके बाद क्या होगा? 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 कितना आ गया भाई? ये 20 और ये 6 120. Now case number 3 is what? 5-digit number. Let's consider all the 5-digit numbers. Now again all the 5-digit numbers are what? Greater than 400. So there is no condition now. So what will be your answer then? How many options you have for the first place? 10,000 place? All digits we can use here. 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. कितना आ गया boss? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is again 120. Then what is your
Sir.
answer then? हा
सर एक मिनिट, आता आता परत केस नंबर 1 वरती जा. 2 आणि 3 करेक्ट आहे, फक्त केस नंबर 1 वरती जावा.
बरं गेला.
हा, फॉर एक्झाम्पल डायरेक्टली आपण 4 नाही घेतला, 5 घेतला, तर मागचे नंबर तर गेले ना 400 पासून ते 500 पर्यंत. सो दॅट वॉज आय वॉज सेइंग दॅट 4 फक्त कन्सिडर करायचं आहे.
ओके आता
कारण की तुम्ही 5 किंवा 6 घेशाल तर सर मागचे 200 किंवा 100 नंबर तर गेले ना.
हा बघा इथे आता आपण गेले असं नाहीच म्हणू शकत, कारण बघ इथे वेन यू से गेले, वेन यू डोंट कन्सिडर 4 हिअर अँड यू कन्सिडर 2 हिअर. नाव यू से की गेले. सर 400चे जे काही नंबर आहेत ते सगळे गेले. किती आता नंबर आहेत ते बघा. हे 4 2 8 8 3 24. सो देर आर 36 माइनस 24 इफ यू डू कितना आ गया बॉस? ये 12 आ गया. सो देर आर ओनली 12 नंबर्स विच आर ग्रेटर देन 400 इन दीज 5 डिजिट्स. आता इफ यू से सो देर आर 24 numbers 3-digit number which are greater than 400, that is absolutely wrong. This is what the numbers greater than 500 boss. When you say यहाँ पे 4 and you do 3, you are considering the numbers greater than 400 as well. प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ ॲडिशन समजत नाही अजून तुला? कन्फ्यूज होते, तुला समजते पण थोडा कन्फ्यूज होते. सी दिस टॉपिक इज कन्फ्यूजिंग. कंसेप्ट एक बार दिमाग में बैठ गया ना, सो नो डाउट समजतंय का? ठीक आहे, तुझ्या सॅटिस्फॅक्शनसाठी आपण इंडिव्हिज्युअली सगळे करून बघूया. समजा मी इथे 4 घेतला, एक ऑप्शन, ठीक आहे. मग इथे किती वेज आहेत तुझ्याकडे? हाऊ मेनी वेज यू हॅव हिअर? यू हॅव हिअर 4 वेज, हिअर 3. किती झाले हो टोटल? 12. मी काय म्हटलं होतं तुला? टोटल 12 झाले ना हे, ठीक आहे. लेट इट बी. आता हे 4 ने झाले, मग 5 ने किती होतील हो? इफ आय हॅव 5, इथे किती झाले? 1. इथे किती झाले हो? ऑप्शन किती आहेत इथे? 4. इथे किती आहेत? 3. किती झाले? पुन्हा 12 झाले.
12.
मग पुन्हा 6 ने करून बघ. इथे 1 आहे, इथे 4 आहे आणि इथे 3 आहे. पुन्हा किती झाले ऑप्शन? 13 झाले, सॉरी 12 झाले. सो 12 प्लस 12 प्लस 12 विच इज नथिंग बट 36. एक गोष्ट लक्षात घे, इफ यू डोंट कन्सिडर 4 हिअर देन what you are saying is correct. Sir, we are missing the numbers which are greater than 400 and less than 500 in this case. Is this okay?
हो सर.
बघ थोडासा विचार कर ह्याच्यावरती. तुझ्या होवर मला अजून वाटत नाही की तुला समजलंय ते. विचार कर थोडासा ह्याच्यावरती अँड यू विल गेट इट डेफिनेटली. ओके, अजून जरी नाही समजलं तरी मी आहेच. ओके,
हो सर.
ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज योर फाइनल आंसर देन? आंसर इज व्हाट? फाइनल आंसर कितना है? क्या करोगे इसका भी? सबका एडिशन कर दो. बिकॉज व्हाट द नंबर कैन बी 3 digit, 4 digit और 5 digit. सो द नंबर इज 36 प्लस 12 प्लस 12, 12 12 24. सो इट इज 276. इज दिस ओके? Perfect. Okay, let's solve the next one now. How many numbers from formed with the digits 0 to 8, 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8 will fall between 13 and 1000 if digits can be repeated. Very good. Good question. Now first observe how many digit numbers you want. 13 पेक्षा मोठे पाहिजेत आणि 1000 पेक्षा छोटे पाहिजेत. Between बोलाय तो you cannot include these numbers. So your first number will be what? 14 you can consider, but 4 you don't have in this given digits. Can I consider 12? Because I can form a 12 here. Can I consider 12?
No.
Nahi.
No, because this 12 is what? It is less than 13. Okay, perfect, very good. Now you are getting this. Means what? In this total range from 13 to 1000, we have 2 digit numbers as well as 3 digit numbers. 2 digit numbers कुठले कुठले आहेत? 14 पासून ते पूर्ण 99 पर्यंत माझ्याकडे सगळे 2 digit numbers आहेत. And from 100 to 999 I have 3 digit numbers which can satisfy this condition. The numbers fall between 13 and 1000. So first of all, let's find out the 2 digit numbers. How many 2 digit numbers we can form here? 2 digit numbers of 1 and 2. 2 digit number. So how many ways you can fill the first 10th place?
5.
5 ways. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's consider it is a 5. Then in how many ways you can fill this place?
5.
Again 5.
5.
Don't you think you are doing some mistake here? आता बघा, तुम्ही हे 5 आणि 5 म्हणलात तर तुम्ही मी एक डिजिट सांगतो which is not satisfying the question. Yes, given question. So if I use 5 and 5, the number could be 10. The number could be 12. Yes or no?
Yes.
These two numbers are not satisfying my condition. Means what? We have the problem with this first one. Okay, so let's divide the 2 digit into 2 more further cases. Okay, so first we will consider 1 at this place, only 1 at the 10th place. So how many options we have? Only 1. Now if we use 1 here, then how many ways you can fill this units place?
3.
Very good. Now I can use यहाँ पे 5, 7 or 8. Only these 3 digits are suitable at this place. So 3 ways. So कितना आ गया? Answer इसका 1 into 3 आ गया 3. For the 2 digit number with 1 at its 10th place. Now let's consider the other numbers at the 10th place. So this is equals to 1 and 2. Now we don't consider 1 at the 10th place. Now what we'll consider is 2, 5, 7, 8. Any of these 4 numbers will come. So how many options? Total 4 options. Now in how many ways you can fill this place?
6.
Repetition is allowed बोला है. Very good, very good. So repetition is allowed means what? You can use any number of times a digit and you can include this 0 as well. Means all the 6 digits I can use here. So all the 6 digits. So ये आ गया मेरा 6. So this is nothing but 4 into 6 हो गया 24. So total 2 digit numbers कितने झाले हो? 24 plus 3, which is nothing but 27. Is this okay?
Oh.
Perfect. Now let's go for the 3 digit numbers. Okay, let me write down the digits here. 0, 1, 2, 5, 7 and 8. Okay. आय होप यू आर गेटिंग दिस. मी डायरेक्ट लिहितोय कारण इथे मी पुन्हा थेरी लिहित बसत नाहीये. समजतंय ना सगळ्यांना? का लिहायचं आहे थोडा पार्ट? सो दिस इज द केस वेअर यू आर कन्सिडरिंग 1 at 10th place, and this is the case where you are considering 2, 5, 7, 8 at the 10th place. So these are the two cases we have. Okay, next is, let's say, find out the 3-digit numbers. Okay, so 3-digit numbers. So 3 places we want 1, 2 and 3. Now 3-digit number can be anything from 100 to 999. You can get the 3-digit number. So tell me, in how many ways you can fill this place?
5.
5 different ways, because you cannot use 0 here, who is a villain. Okay, so I can use any digit from these 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. So यहाँ पे मेरे 5 options है total. Now in how many ways you can fill this place? Repetition is allowed.
6.
All 6 digits I can use here. What about this place? Again 6?
6.
Yes. So what is your answer is 5 into 6 into 6. 30 and here 180. Okay. So final answer कितना गया boss? 180 plus 27. Okay. So how you can write here is, there are 27 2-digit numbers and 180 3-digit numbers which are in between 13 and 1000. Therefore, see here, because of this and नहीं है, और चाहिए अपने को इथे and बरोबर आहे, बट कन्सिडर करताना आपल्याला और कन्सिडर करावं लागेल. मीन्स व्हॉट, युअर 27 प्लस 180 कितना आ गया बॉस? ये 7, ये 0 आणि हे 2. इज दिस ओके? सो 207 विल बी युअर आन्सर. फाइन. Yes or no? Please.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, let's go the next question. So question number 13. Very good question. The same question we have discussed at the starting of this topic, permutation and combination. A school has 3 gates, okay, and 4 staircases. From the first floor to the second floor. Okay, how many ways does a student have to go from outside the school to his classroom on the second floor? Okay, a school has the 3 gates and 4 staircases from first floor to second floor. So this is first floor and this is the second floor. Okay, so from first to second we have 3 gates. 1 gate, 2 gate and 3 gates, and 4 staircases. 1, 2, okay, 3 and 4. How many ways does a student have to go from outside the school to his classroom on the second floor? Okay, हे पिक्चर असं नाही येणार आहे, पिक्चर थोड़ा सा अलग हो जाएगा. देखो यहाँ पे. So what do you think? What is your answer?
4 into 3.
हाँ, 4 into 3 हो जाएगा, बिकॉज थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन आपको अच्छे से फ्रेम करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन इज नॉट सो क्लियर, बट सी हियर व्हाट दे आर सेइंग. यू हैव from first floor to second floor, if you want to move, you have 3 different gates. A school has 3 different gates. So ये gate हो गया, ये gate हो गया. So you have the first floor here. So this is second floor, second, this is first, and this is the gate, number of gates, okay, the school is having. Now from the first floor to second floor you have 3 gates, 4 staircases. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 staircases, and these are the 3 gates, 1, 2 and 3. Now in how many ways you can go from the first फ्लोअर टू सेकंड फ्लोअर. और ॲक्च्युली हे असं म्हणायला पाहिजे, हाऊ मेनी वेज डज अ स्टुडंट हॅव टू गो फ्रॉम, ओके आउटसाइड बोलाय ना, येस. सो यू आर स्टँडिंग हिअर, नाव यू वॉन्ट टू गो ॲट द सेकंड फ्लोअर. सो इन हाऊ मेनी वेज यू कॅन गो, means you have to cross these gates and then you have to use the staircase and we reach the second floor. As you are using both of these transportation service, you can say, so the first gate are number of gates are 3 and the number of staircases you have the 4, which is nothing but there are
12.
total 12 ways in which you can reach the second floor from the outside. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
The same question we have seen regarding the your home and the काय होता, Deccan Gymkhana, I think something I have given there. Okay, so next question is what, the question number 14. Mark this question number 14, very very important. You can expect this question in your exam. Okay. How many 5-digit numbers formed using the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are divisible by 5 if digits are not repeated? Not repeated case hai? Who will give me the answer to this question? Okay, see here. So you have the total digits from 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. And we have the villain here, which is 0, and I want the number which is divisible by 5. So what is divisibility condition for 5?
युनिट प्लेस मध्ये 0 आणि 5 असले पाहिजे.
युनिट प्लेस मध्ये 0 आणि नाही और
और
आणि म्हणजे दोन्ही एकदाच नाही राहू शकत. सो if the unit place is having 0 or 5, then we can say the number is divisible by 5. Okay, now how you do this? 0 के लिए एक केस हो जाएगा अपना एंड 5 के लिए एक केस हो जाएगा. ओके, सो लेट्स कंसिडर दीज टू केसेस डिफरेंटली, सेपरेटली. सो लेट 0 at units place. So how many 5-digit number बोले तो 5 places ले लो, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I am saying 0 at the units place which is fixed. So in how many ways you can fill this 0? Only one way. Only one
way.
option I have for 0. Then how many options you have for the 10th place?
5.
Now you can see, once you have 0 at this place, your number is divisible by 5. You can have anything at the left side of this 0. So you can have all the digits. Repetition is not allowed बोला है. So you cannot use 0 here. So remaining digits are what? 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have total 5 options. यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? 4. यहाँ पे 3 आएगा और यहाँ पे 2 आएगा.
3.
सो आन्सर कितना गया? 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. हे 6 झाले आणि हे 20 झाले. सो आ गया टोटल 20. 120. यस, ये तो हो गया अपना लेट 0 at the units place. Now what happens if I have the 5 at the units place? Okay, so condition is at now let 5 at units place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 at the units place. So how many options we have? Only one option. Now can you tell me how many options we have for the 10th place?
5.
5.
इतकी जागा भरून घ्यायची.
काय काय?
पहिलं आधी आपल्याकडे 0 पण आहे ना, मग
हा,
आपण
very good, very good, very good, very good. See, if you are considering 5 at the units place, you are remaining with the 0 which is a villain. So we have to be very careful. पहला भाई उसका काम तमाम कर दो 0 का. So let's first consider this place. We cannot use 0. मी काय म्हटलं तुम्हाला, थंब रूल इज व्हॉट, कंडिशन ज्या प्लेसवरती आहे तो प्लेस पहिला फिल करून घ्या. इथे कंडिशन 5 वरती होती, सो इथे मी 5 टाकला. नेक्स्ट कंडिशन इज व्हॉट, यू कॅनॉट यूज 0 हिअर. गेटिंग? 0 यूज करायचं नाहीये आणि इथे ऑलरेडी 5 यूज केलाय, तर राहिले किती हो? टोटल किती नंबर आहेत आपल्याकडे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 नंबर आहे.
6.
6 मधून 2 ऑलरेडी आय हॅव युज्ड, म्हणजे 0 नाही यूज करायचं आणि 5 नाही यूज करायचं, म्हणजे इथे राहिले किती? 4.
4.
नाउ दिस ऑप्शन, दिस प्लेस कॅन बी फिल्ड इन हाऊ मेनी वेज?
4.
This is very important. Now you are getting this. Here I can use 0, but I cannot use those digits, 5 digit and the digit which you are using at this place. So यहाँ पे again 4 options. Now you have 3 and 2.
2.
Perfect. So what is answer for this? ये हो गया 16 आणि ये हो गया 6. 16 सके 96, 96. Okay. So in total how many options, in total how many numbers you have? Which is nothing but 120 plus 96, which is equals to
6 into
6 आणि हे 216, 216. So you have total 216 numbers which are divisible by 5. Is this okay? Everyone?
Oh sir.
Perfect. Okay, so with this we have solved all the questions from the exercise 3.1. So
Sir.
you
मेथड कळाली ती. तुम्ही काय केलं, तुम्ही 3 केस मध्ये सम अप करून टाकला आणि मी 4 केस घेत होतो.
बरोबर,
मी काय
तू
केलं,
4 ची वेगळी केस घेतलीस.
मी 400 ची वेगळी केस घेतली आणि 500 ची वेगळी केस घेतली.
हो, मग 600 ची पण घ्यायला पाहिजे ना.
सर पण दोन्ही मेथड बरोबरच आहेत ना तसं.
एक्झॅक्टली, ऑफकोर्स. बघ तू काय बोलतोय सर, 400 और 500 और 600 म्हणतोयस तू. You are considering these as a 3 different cases, but I am using the principle of addition. I am considering the 3 cases in one single case using the plus sign, 4 or 5 or 6. समजतंय का?
हो
You
सर.
can go in any way, no problem. तू अजून तिथेच आहेस का? समजतंय का तुला? बाकीचे क्वेश्चन समजले का रे?
हो सर.
Okay, good. ठीक आहे. So with this we have covered the exercise 3.1. Now let's see the next concept, which is very important and the base for your next topics, and that topic is nothing but the factorial notations. Okay, so let me have this new section here, factorial notations. Important, eh? So let me have the grids here. Yes. Now what is a factorial notation is? We have already seen this while we were in the sequence and sum series. So definition of the factorial I can say is like this. Definition. Okay. If n is any natural number, if n is any natural number, mark this word, natural number, then the product of n, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, dot 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 3 comma 2 comma 1 is known as factorial of n. Is known as a factorial of n. Okay, for example 7 factorial. If I do the 7 factorial, means what? You have to write down all the numbers which are equal and less than the 7. So 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is nothing but the 7 factorial. See here, if it is n, this is n, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5, n minus 6. Okay. Next is what is the 12 factorial. What is 12 factorial? So it is
12 into
12
11
into 11 into 10
dot
into
dot dot.
dot 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so remember this. And one more thing we have to remember, that 0 factorial is what? What is 0 factorial? Okay, so before coming to this 0 factorial, can I write this 7 factorial as 7 into multiplication of all these digits? So what is this digit is? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. What is this? Can I write this as a 6 factorial? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. So 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 factorial. 12 factorial can be written as 12 into 11 factorial. So if similarly, if I have to write n factorial, so this is equals to what? N into n minus 1 factorial लिहू शकतो का मी? Yes or no? So based on this, can you please tell me what is the 0 factorial value?
0.
0 only. Okay, see here.
0.
0 into 0 minus 1, which is factorial, and minus 1 factorial. Minus 1 factorial. See here, what definition says is n is the natural number, then only your factorial is applicable. यहाँ पे क्या है भाई? Do this minus 1 is natural number? No, it is not a natural number. Then how you can apply this factorial notation here? We cannot use. Means what? 0 factorial is equals to 0 is absolutely wrong. अभी इसको सॉल्व कैसा करोगे देखो इधर. Now if you say n factorial is equals to n into n minus 1 factorial, so can I rewrite this n minus 1 factorial is equals to n factorial upon n? या n ला मी फक्त खाली घेऊन आला इकडे. Now let's substitute n is equals to 1 here. Substitute n is equals to 1 here. So what happens? 1 minus 1 factorial is equals to 1 factorial upon 1. So 0 factorial is equals to कितना आ गया बस? 1 factorial, which is nothing but 1. Remember that 0 factorial is always equals to 1. This is the proof of why 0 factorial is equals to 1. 12th students ना पण माहिती नसतं हे की का 0 factorial हा 1 असतो. Please remember that most of the student don't know why n factorial is equals to 1. So this is the reason. Is it okay? So remember that. तेच म्हटलं तुम्हाला 0 हा विलन असतो नेहमी. It behaves extraordinary behavior असतो याचा. ठीक आहे? 0 factorial 1 आला. Okay. Now we do not have the factorials for the negative numbers. जर तुम्हाला नेगेटिव्ह नंबरचे फॅक्टर्स जर शिकायचे असतील तर देन यू हॅव टू गो फॉर द इंजिनिअरिंग सेकंड इयर. इन दॅट कोर्स यू हॅव दी नेगेटिव्ह फॅक्टोरियल्स, बट आता तुमच्या सिलेबसमध्ये नेगेटिव्ह फॅक्टोरियल्स नाही आहेत, सो डोंट वरी. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द फ्यू प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दिस फॅक्टोरियल. व्हॉट आर दोज प्रॉपर्टीज इज? बघा एक्झाम्पल. If suppose I have the first example like this, 3 factorial plus 5 factorial, can I write this 3 factorial plus 5 factorial is equals to 8 factorial?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, see here, what is 3 factorial? It is 3 into 2 into 1. Yes or no? And what is 5 factorial is? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, एंड इन दोनों का एडिशन है बॉस. ये कितना गया इसका? दिस इज 6. ये कितना आ गया? ये 24 और ये 20 आणि हे 6. सो ये आ गया मेरा 120. सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 126. यस और नो?
Yes.
व्हाट इज 8 फैक्टोरियल बॉस? इट इज 8 into 7 into 6 into
6 into
5 factorial. इज दिस ओके? इस 8756 56 इंटू 6 इंटू 5 फैक्टोरियल कितना है अपना 120 है. So 5 factorial is what? It is 120. C means of course this 8 factorial is greater than this number. So can I say 3 factorial plus 5 factorial is equals to 8 factorial? Yes, can I say? No, you cannot say. 3 factorial plus 5 factorial is not equals to 8 factorial. So what is property? First property is, if you have x plus y factorial, then this cannot be equals to y factorial plus x factorial. No, you cannot write down like this. समझते का?
सर
समझते का?
हो सर.
हाँ बोला. इन डाउट?
सर
हाँ,
6 आणि
तुमचा आवाज येत नाहीये.
6 आणि 120 तिथे कसे आले?
8756 ह्या दोघांचा मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून इथे लिहिला. हा 6 मी ॲज इट इज लिहिला. 5 फॅक्टोरियलची व्हॅल्यू आपण ऑलरेडी काढली आहे इथे. दिस इज अ 5 फॅक्टोरियल विच इज 120. सो दिस इज 120. ओके. So homework, today's homework is what? Write down the factorials for these numbers. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial and 6 factorial. Okay, please write down these factorials and 7 factorial also, because we require these factorials very frequently in this topic. Homework, today's homework is write down these factorials and post on a group, not me. ठीक आहे, ग्रुप वरती पोस्ट
Okay,
करायचे तुमचे
sir.
सोल्युशन्स.
पर्यंत सोडवायचे ना,
काय काय
पर्यंत सॉल्व करायचे ना.
7 पर्यंत करा. 7 फॅक्टोरियल पर्यंत. इज दिस ओके?
ओके सर. हो सर.
Now this is applicable for a positive, so the negative can also be proved on the same way. So x minus y factorial is not equals to x factorial minus y factorial. Okay, and similarly we have for the multiplication also. Third one is what? X into y factorial is not equals to x y factorial. Okay, सॉरी x फैक्टोरियल इंटू वाई फैक्टोरियल चाहिए अपने को. ओके, यहाँ पे चेंज करूँगा मैं. सो दिस इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू x फॅक्टोरियल इंटू वाय फॅक्टोरियल. नो, इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट ॲप्लिकेबल. म्हणजे काय म्हणायचं त्यांना, 3 + 5 इज 8 फॅक्टोरियल. 3 + 5 8 फॅक्टोरियल. दिस इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 3 फॅक्टोरियल प्लस नहीं बॉस, यहाँ पे इंटू है 3 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 5 फैक्टोरियल. नो, इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट करेक्ट. Okay, so generally we do this distribution law, we apply this distribution law. Remember, distribution law is not applicable in the factorial. If you are okay with this example, then all these properties can be remembered very easily. Is this okay?
हो सर.
Okay, next, very important, see here. If I have the 3 + 5 factorial, let me have the same example. Fourth, 3 + 5 factorial. Okay, so let's write down this 3 + 5 factorial, which is equals to 8 factorial. Means what? It is 8 into 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So this 3 + 5 factorial is always divided by, is always divisible by 3 factorial and 5 factorial. It is always divisible by 3 factorial as well as the 5 factorial. See here, can I divide this whole by 3 factorial? Means what? 3 into 2 into 1 means ये तीनों के तीनों ये तीनों चले गए. Yes, of course. Okay, so can I divide the same by the 5 factorial? Yes, 5 factorial means what? Is 5 4 3 2 1. The 5 factorial and 5 factorial gets cancelled. Means what? The property number 4 says that if you have p plus q, if you have, okay, x plus y factorial then this is always divisible by x factorial as well as y factorial. Is this okay? समजा माझ्याकडे 12 फॅक्टोरियल आहे. सपोज आय हॅव द 12 फॅक्टोरियल. दिस कॅन बी डिव्हिजिबल बाय 6 फॅक्टोरियल, 4 factorial into 8 factorial, 4 factorial and 8 factorial. Okay, 10 factorial and 2 factorial. Are you getting this?
हो सर.
Perfect. Okay, so these are the properties of this factorial notation. So let's have simple examples here. So exercise 3.2. So can you give a try for exercise 3.2? It's very simple. Whatever we have seen here, the properties, those properties we have to use. So एक छोटा सा example सांगतो मला. So exercise 3.2 मला the second question, उसमें पहला question है, second में first question, which is 12 factorial divided by 6 factorial. We have to find out the value of this 12 factorial by 6 factorial. So how you will write this 12 factorial by 6 factorial is 12 factorial कसे लेणार? 12 into 11 into 10, 9 8 7 into 6 5
5 4
4 3 2 1 whole divided by 6 factorial तसंच ठेवा. Can you write this whole part as a 6 factorial?
Oh,
Yes, of course. Then what? You have 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial whole divided by 6 factorial. So 6 factorial cancel. So what is your answer is 12 11 10 9 8 7. This is your answer. Are you getting?
yes sir.
yes sir.
Perfect. The second question on the same note we have like this 12 by 6 factorial. What is the answer to this question? BODMAS rule. First solve the bracket. So bracket solve किया तो क्या आएगा? It is 2 into factorial. साई दूनी 12. So it is 2 inside the bracket and bracket का factorial. So 2 factorial is nothing but 1. It is 2 only. See the difference between these two. Getting?
हो सर.
Perfect. So with this what we'll do, you take the exercise 3.2 as a homework. You try to solve all the questions from this topic. All the question mannapeksha, let me give the top question numbers. So complete question. Okay, I will write the questions here. I am expecting the answer to these questions. Question number 1 complete. Homework. So question number 1 complete. Question number 2 complete.
Question number.
And we have the give a try for question number 3. So, but these two are compulsory. Give a try for this question number 3. Okay, ठीक आहे. So एवढे क्वेश्चन 3 तुम्ही सॉल्व करा and the remaining questions we will see tomorrow. Okay.
Okay sir.
So with this we
Okay.
will stop here. Thank you very much.